Assalamualaikum everyone. Good day. This is Rafia Sunzida Ebha with you. First of all, thank you so much, sir, for this wonderful initiative taken by you to share our thoughts and ideas through these presentations. So today's presentation gonna be very effective and informative because I'm gonna talk about the ways to encourage the nursing profession in Bangladesh. Well, we all know about the importance of nurses in our healthcare system. And most importantly, there is a saying that doctor is the brain of the hospital, but nurse is the heart of the hospital. So it's beyond the description about the importance of nurses in our society as well as in our healthcare system. But it is a great matter of sorrow that Bangladesh, like many other countries around the world, faces a dangerous shortage of nurses. So for this kind of dangerous shortage, every year thousands of ill patients did not get the minimum medical treatment. And now if we look at the picture of nursing profession in Bangladesh, then it creates a really ill impression in front of us, because there is a lack of infrastructural and quality teaching in the colleges of institutions of nursing profession. And moreover, the people of Bangladesh uphold a negative vibe against this profession, especially nursing profession. And besides the other some serious problems are a lack of respect, then staff shortage, workplace violences, inadequate pays, and so on. And for this kind of serious problems, eligible girls and boys of our country are not coming to this profession, and they are lagging behind for this kind of problems. And at this crucial condition, we should make the people more conscious and more aware of about this nursing profession. We just have to make a tiny spark of the inspiration and encouragement. And now, honestly, as a nursing student, we have also some responsibilities to represent our profession worldwide. We should for example, we should make ourselves more knowledgeable, being smart, and be ready for communicate to anyone to anywhere. So this will then finally, after developed our skills, we will able to encourage the other people. And actually, we should make ourselves the role model for other people. And besides, the government should give proper attention and give some sufficient or effective initiative to improve this profession, this important profession, and make it noble. Then more institutions and more colleges should be built up for the local students, that they can get inspiration and encouragement. And therefore, the field of nursing profession should be more improved. Many other programs like masters in nursing profession, and also other some valuable degrees should be added in this profession. And otherwise, we also know about that nursing is the second segmental job in our country. So people should have changed their mind and leave the negative vibes and uphold the nursing profession as a first segmental job. So in conclusion, we can just say that nurses play a vital role in the healthcare system. So this profession should be improved and reformed day by day. And if we will be able to make this nursing reformed day by day, our next generation will get sufficient encouragement and inspiration. So thank you so much for listening me with your utmost concentration. That's all my point of view is about how can the nursing profession can be encouraged. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.